5G is the fifth generation of wireless data network and it will improve them far more than 4G or 3G where could you'll feel it in your phone in your home, your car and in the city and in the town around you downloads and streaming should happen literally without delaying car will talk to you each other to prevent collision and unthreatening argument and virtual reality can finally be achieved with real time response. Not to mention industrial benefits like remote surgery or drone control 5G does its magic with three key abilities. First, high bandwidth 4G could only muster about 200 megabits per second of a data throughput, a good data. 5G can handle up to 1 gigabyte or more. That's 1000 megabits a second on. Upload latency for 4G suffers from around 100 million seconds or so in response. Delay or latency 5G reaction time can be as low as 1 million second, which makes everything happen virtually instantly and a dense connection in a given square kilometers. 4G could only manage to connect about one tenth amount of the devices as 4G can if the sum of the 5G does. How it works it don't do. 5G uses radio technology, the part of any wireless device that makes the connection. 5G uses some radio frequency in a band known as a sub 6 from 600 megabits to 6 gigahertz, part of which also used to current 4G LAT. But 5G will also use a higher bandwidth of radio frequency from 24 gigahertz to as its high as 48 as much higher. Frequency bring with them a much higher data rates now while these new 5G radio waves can carry more than a data with higher performance they can't carry as far. So 5G will use a lot of SOC and small cells. These small version of all the big cellular towers as we know as 5G will also use some new tricks in the small cells like beamforming or efficiency at transmission rather than just spray everything through. You will need to new phone tablet portable hotspot like 5G radio inside to connect to the new 5G network. You connect 4G or 3G gear, you can't stop it. 5G network will also portion more data and computing resources closer to you that will avoid blurring. 5G low latency benefits the most of us. You think of phones when you think of wireless network put phones may actually be listening things about 5G. It will also power automatically. Cars have awareness of every each other car bikes almost things that we electrically also connected and where when a bridge needs repair why we can't someone with a mesh of 5G connection sensor it could. And then there is in a home 5G will offer a new way to get internet. There is a sneaking cable or DSL and another maybe when updating that may be a 5G natively to connect directly to the 5G wireless ISP. 5G can really connect it about the safety of cellular radio waves and cities taken actually to the block of 5G development. Health equations come upon around 5G uses the microwave frequency. A lot of them we have thanked for the large number of small cells that will do instantly around the follows of the cables and are nearly eliminated to the current smartphones and the old coded phones that you have wireless phones and networks about anything that Wi-Fi and frequency of radio signals and you have moved upon to the elimination of the X-rays and gamma rays and cosmetic rays to find the kind of emission that will harm cells and it will also 5G and 3G or 2G years to roll around the industrial revolution and that does not availability to perform such a connection where and responsive and it will be can stop worrying about the availability of a performance and the connectivity in the first place.